Yo, can you tell me where you're from without telling me where you're from?
We have the longest coastline in Africa.
Madagascar?
That
Famous food?
famous food have sambus or samosa. But you should try it if you go to the restaurant. Just say you need some baris and hilib, and you're good.
Any more facts about your country?
Okay, this is a negative thing. There's this famous saying by this actor, "I'm the captain now." Our people are very humble, kind. 90% Muslim. No, a lot of people say 100%, but 90% right now.
Music.
Major singer named Sharma Boy. You should check him out.
Do you know the national anthem?
So iskutir sa de adwatina tagdarane tageroline. Oh,
Color of your flag?
blue and white star. There.
Argentina thing.
But I don't think Argentina. We have the best food, I believe.
real?
Yeah.
I think I had it. And I think I know where you're from.
And this guy.
You're from Somaliland.
Yeah. Let's take the land out.
So,
I'm from Somalia.